Hello Muggles! Welcome to Hogwarts, School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. I will be your teacher in Magical General Mathematics, and for today's lesson, I am gonna teach you how to solve a rational inequality. First, get your wand, and together, swish, then flick. Again, swish and flick. Wingardium Leviosa. There you go. Our given for today is
x plus 2
over x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. The next step that we are going to do is that we are going to get the critical values of the equation. Enable for us to get the critical values, we are going to equate both the numerator and denominator to 0. The answer of the first is x is equal to minus 2 or negative 2, and the other is x is equal to positive 1. Because when you transpose a number to the other side, its sign will be changed from positive to negative and negative to positive, like this. From positive, it will become negative, and negative, it will become positive. Now that we have our critical values, we are going to do the thing called test point. To determine the test point, we are going to substitute both of our critical values into our equation. First is x equals negative 2. Substitute it to all the x's. It will become negative 2 plus 2 over negative 2 minus 1. Now let us answer both of the numerator and the denominator. Negative 2 plus positive 2 is equal to 0. Then negative 2 minus 1 is equal to negative 3. 0 over negative 3 is less than 0. So in our interval graph, we are going to shade negative 2. On the other hand, x is equal to 1 substituted to all the x's, its result will be 3 over 0, which is undefined. So it is unshaded in our interval graph because it is not less than 0. Now that we get the points in our interval lines, we are going to create a table of signs. Let us make a spell. Accio table of signs. There you have it. Now, substitute the values of the included numbers in the table and determine if it's negative or positive. Since our equation is less than or equal to 0, it should be negative. Negative 3 plus 2 would be negative. Negative 3 minus 1 would also equal to negative. Hence, negative over negative is positive. So it means it is not included in our graph. Second row, let us use 0. 0 plus 2 would be positive. 0 minus 1 is negative. Hence, positive over negative is negative. So it means our middle is included in our graph. Lastly, using 2 as x. 2 plus 2 is positive. 2 minus 1 is
positive.
So positive over positive is positive. So it means it is not included in our graph. And with that, we can determine that our graph would look like this. In conclusion, we are going to have an interval or set notation of bracket negative 2 and 1 parenthesis, because bracket means that it is included in the solution, parenthesis means it is not included. So that would conclude our answer for this inequality. And that would be our lesson for today. Thank you for listening, class, and I'm going to say goodbye in 3, 2, 1.